Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to drop the gas tank and change the fuel pump on this 2005 Chevy Uplander. If this video is helpful, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below even if it just says this was helpful. It helps the YouTube algorithm. First thing we need to do is elevate the vehicle so you can get underneath it. What I'm going to do is jack up the front tire, probably put a cinder block underneath this wheel and do the same thing on the back, and I think that's going to give me enough height to be able to get underneath there. I'm not recommending that's what you do. You need to do what you need to do to be safe. Alright, so we've got a jack underneath the tank here to support it. And now we're going to come underneath here. This is your filler neck hose. So you're going to undo this hose clamp here and then have something to catch the gas that's going to run out of here if you've got a semi-full tank. And then we're going to unhook this vent line right here. There's little tabs here that you squeeze and then you push this off. Alright, now we're up towards the front of the vehicle. Need to unhook these two gas lines right here. So get yourself another little catch pan or something, bring it up here, unhook these lines. Got our gas lines unhooked. Now we're going to undo this bolt, and that bolt right there. There's 3 gas tank straps here. So we're going to undo those and then we can drop the tank. Alright, so I've got this first strap out here. And this is what it looks like, and that's the hole that it comes out of. So what I did is I pushed it all the way back here to this wide slot and then pulled one side out and then pulled it out like that. So you're gonna pull it all the way back, angle it down like this, and pull it out like that. Alright, so we've got all our straps taken off here. Last thing we need to do before we put this on the ground is unhook this clip right here. So you're gonna pull this little lever here and then you can wiggle and pull the clip down. There you go. Alright, so at this point you've got your tank on the floor and you're ready to change the actual pump here. So what you're gonna do is unhook these connectors and then unhook these electrical connectors, and then you'll have all this stuff cleaned away. Blow this out with some air or something, clean this up a little bit, and then what you can do, this ring spins, this steel corroded ring here. So what you'll do is take like a punch and a hammer and hit the punch right here, and it'll twist this ring off, and then the pump comes right out. You can put your new pump in and put it back together the way you took it apart. The last thing I'll say here is to check this connection, because you can see mine is really corroded and you might just have a connection problem here. Your fuel pump might not actually be bad. So check that out first before you go and spend a bunch of money on a fuel pump. But hopefully this video is helpful. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Comment below, just say this was helpful, thank you, whatever. That helps the YouTube algorithm. I also have some Amazon links in the description below you can check out if you want to. If you make a purchase on Amazon, it doesn't matter if it's that product that I've linked. If you make a purchase of anything on Amazon after clicking on that link, it helps me out and I appreciate it. So have a good one, guys, and good luck.